Right weight.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh man.
He's coming for you, Paul.
He's coming for me. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Well done.
Let's go. Get up there.
He
Come on.
wants one more. Good move.
So I gotta say what, so if you're a content creator, that's one thing. But also Health and Human Services is like, this is what they do. Like they just do pull-ups
All day.
morning, noon, and night, right? DOT we don't. We're a little more